Hi, this is the program to find out profit or loss using Java program. If the actual amount is less than sale amount, then we got profit. If the actual amount is greater than sale amount, then we got loss, or otherwise no profit, no loss. First we write the main method. Then you define the variable which is used during this, like unit price, amount, and sale amount. Here we use input given by the user, so we use the scanner object. New scanner system. First input given by the user is sale amount, actual amount. Please enter the actual amount, that is unit price. That is unit price. SC dot next integer. Then second is sale amount. Enter the selling price. Sale amount. Then first, if sale amount is greater than unit price, then it profit. If sale amount is greater than unit price, then amount is equal to sale amount minus unit price, that is profit. Then print the profit. Profit amount is plus amount, and then else if statement. Else if unit price is greater than sale amount, then that is loss. Case of loss, sale. Then amount is equal to unit price minus sale amount. Then print the amount of loss. The loss amount is plus amount. Otherwise no profit and no loss. No profit and no loss. Then save the program and run the program. Let's suppose that enter actual amount for unit price is 4,500 and selling price is 5,600. Then profit amount is 1,100. That's it.